Good morning children. Hope you are all fine at home. So in today's class we are going to see grammar. Okay, the topic is adverbs. So what we are going to see? We are going to see the grammar topic, adverbs. So in the previous class we have seen some parts of speech and also the grammar topic. Okay, so these parts of speech we have seen. Okay, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective. Do you all remember these parts of speech, children? The noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and the grammar articles. Okay. So in this class we are going to see about adverbs. So what we are going to see? We are going to see about adverbs. So before starting the adverbs, so let us recall what is pronoun, what is noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. Are you all ready, children?
The first one we are going to see is noun. So what is meant by noun? Noun refers to the words or phrases that represents a person, place, thing or activity or a quality or idea. Okay, so you all know it's nothing but it's a naming word that refers the name of a person, place, thing or an animal. Example, dog, cat, elephant, school, work, town, Manila, teacher, etc. Okay, so these are all the nouns. So dog is the name of the animal, cat, elephant is the name of the animal. Okay, so school is the name of the place, work, town, Manila, teacher. So these are all the name of the person, place, thing or an animal. The next one is pronoun. Pronoun refers to the words that are used instead of a noun or noun phrase in a sentence. So pronoun means it's nothing but we'll use to replace the noun. For example, he, I, it's, me, my, etc. Okay, so these are all the pronouns which we use instead of the noun. Example, Ram is a boy. Okay, so he, instead of Ram, I'm going to use the pronoun as he. Okay, he is a boy. The next one, verb. Refer to the words or group words that describe an action, experience or express a state of being. So verb means it's nothing but it's the action word. Example, run, sit, stand. These are all the action words. So those are called as verb. The next one is adjective. Adjective refers to the words that describe a noun or pronoun. So if a word that describes the noun or pronoun, that is known as adjective. Example, angry, brave, careful. Okay. And the next one is article. Refers to the words that are used before a noun to modify the noun. Okay, so articles, we have seen three articles, a and the. Okay, and we have seen those usages. So next we are going to see adverb. Are you ready, children?
Okay children, so hope you all understood the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and articles. So now let us start what is meant by adverbs. Okay, so I have written definition of adverb. Adverbs are words that tell us how an action is done. Okay, adverbs are words that tell us how an action is done. So what is action? Action is the verb. Okay, we say verb as the action. So it says, adverbs are words that tell us how an action is done. So adverb says that how the action has been taken place. Okay, so that's called as the adverb. Adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjective or describing word. Adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjective. So adjective, we have seen just now, adjective or nothing but it's the describing word. Okay, what? It's the describing word. It describes what? It describes about the verb, that what the subject has done. Okay, so adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjective. So what we have to do? We have to add ly to the adjective. Okay. So for example, slow. Okay, slow is the adjective. plus ly. So it gives slowly. Okay, so this word slowly is the adverb because we have added ly to the adjective form. Okay, for example, he runs slowly. He runs slowly. So slow is the adverb in the sentence, okay, because it describes how the action has done, whether the boy runs slow or fast. So slow plus ly, slowly. Loud plus ly, loudly. So what is loud here? Loud is the adjective form. For example, she loves loud. Okay, she loves loud. So loud is the adjective there. Okay. Because it says it describes that how the girl has loud. So loud plus ly, loudly. So loudly is the adverb because we have added ly to the adjective. So adverbs are words that tell us how an action is done. Adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjective or describing word. Example, slow plus ly, slowly. Loud plus ly, loudly. When an adjective ends in y, we change the y to I and then add ly. When adjective ends in y, okay, the word adjective that ends with the letter y, what we have to do? We have to change the y to I. Okay, we have to remove the y and instead of the y, we have to add I and then add ly. Okay. At last, what we have to add? We have to add ly. For example, happy, easy, hungry, lazy. Okay, so these are all the adjectives. So how it ends? It ends with the letter y. Okay, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So it ends with y. Easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. So it ends with the letter y. Hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. So this word also ends with the letter y. L-A-Z-Y. Okay, so all these adjectives ends with the letter y. So what we have to do? We have to change the y to I. Okay, we have to change the y to I. So plus ly. H-A-P-P. So we are changing the y to I and then add ly. So plus what we are adding here? We are adding ly. Okay. So happy plus ly, happily. And next one, easy. E-A-S-Y plus ly. Easily. Okay. We are changing the y to I and at last we are adding ly. Easy plus ly, easily. And next one, hungry. Hungry plus ly. So we are changing the y to I and at last we are adding ly. Hungry plus ly, hungrily. And then the last one, lazy plus ly. Okay, we are changing the y to I and at last we are adding ly. So lazy plus ly, lazily. Okay. So when an adjective ends in y, we have to change the y to I and then add ly. Do you understand these adverbs, children? So let me recall you from first. Adverbs. So adverbs are words that tell us how an action is done. Adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjective or describing words. So what we have to do? We have to add ly to the adjective. Slow plus ly, it gives slowly. Loud plus ly, it gives loudly. When an adjective ends in y, we change the y to I and then add ly. Happy plus ly, happily. Easy plus ly, easily. Hungry plus ly, hungrily. Lazy plus ly, lazily. Have you understood this topic, children? Okay, students. So now let us do the exercises. Okay. So the first one is underline the adverbs in the given sentences. Underline the adverbs in the given sentences. So I have given you 5 sentences. Okay. So in those 5 sentences, there will be one adverb in each sentence. So you have to identify and underline them. So let me read the 5 sentences first. She was breathing heavily. She was breathing heavily. She will drive happily. She will drive happily. The teacher sincerely believed James. The teacher sincerely believed James. I study carefully. I study He ran quickly. He ran quickly. So you all know the adverbs or the words that ends with ly with the adjective. Okay, so the word that ends with ly with the adjective, that's known as adverb. So look at the first sentence. She was breathing heavily. She was breathing heavily. So what is the adverb here? Yes, very good. So heavily is the adverb in this sentence because it ends with ly. Okay, so the word that ends with ly is known as adverb. So here heavily is the adverb in the sentence. She was breathing heavily. And the second one, she will drive happily. She will drive happily. So what is the adverb here? Yes, happily is the adverb. She will drive happily. Because this happily describes the verb. Okay, describes the verb. So that how she has drove. Okay, so drive. Drove is the past tense of drive. So she drive the vehicle happily. Okay, the third one. The teacher sincerely believed James. The teacher sincerely believed James. So what is the adverb here? Yes, the adverb of the sentence is sincerely because it ends with the letter ly. Okay, it ends with the letter ly. So sincerely is the adverb in the third sentence. And in the fourth one, I studied carefully about the project. I studied carefully about the project. So what is the adverb here? Yes, very good. Carefully is the adverb because it ends with ly. It describes the action. Okay, the book sentence. He ran quickly. He ran quickly. So what is the adverb here? Yes, very good. Quickly. Because it describes how the action taken place. Okay, so how the action taken place, whether fast or slow. Yes, very fast. Okay, very quickly. So he ran quickly. So the adverbs in these sentences are heavily, happily, sincerely, carefully, quickly. Okay, so I will give you worksheet from this type. So you have to underline the adverbs in the given sentences. And next one we are going to do is write the adverbs. Okay, write the adverbs. So these are all the adjectives. Okay, these are all the adjectives. Merry, hurry, happy, heavy, noisy. Okay, so what these words are called as? These are called as adjectives. So we are going to change these adjectives into adverb form. Okay. So first, merry, M-E-R-R-Y. So it ends to the letter Y. So what we have to do with the word that ends to the letter Y? We have to remove the Y, and instead of the Y we have to add I, and then at last L-Y. So merry, merrily, M-E-R-R-I-L-Y, merrily. Okay, so we have removed the Y and added I and L-Y. Okay, merry, merrily. And next one, hurry, H-U-R-R-Y, hurry. So in this word also it ends with the letter Y. So I am going to change this into H-U-R-R-I-L-Y, hurry. So I have changed the Y into I and I have added L-Y. Okay. And the third one, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So all the word that ends with the letter Y. So I am going to change the Y into Y and then L-Y. And next one, heavy, heavily, H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, heavily. Okay, H-E-A-Y or H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. So I have changed this into H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. Okay. And the last one is noisy, N-O-I-S-Y, noisy. And the adverb for this is noisily. Okay. So the word that ends with the letter Y, we should not add only L-Y to the adjective to make it as an adverb. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to first change the Y to I and at last we have to add L-Y. Okay, so write the adverbs: merry, merrily, hurry, hurriedly, happy, happily, heavy, heavily, noisy, noisily. So we are going to do the worksheet of these two types. Okay, so underline the adverbs in the given sentences and write the adverbs. So hope you all understood what is adverb, children, and this is for your home assignment. Complete the given worksheet. Okay, complete the given worksheet. So everyone has to do the given worksheet and have to submit in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so hope you all understood this class. See you in the next class. Thank you all.